Eat these 3 foods before bed to repair your eyes and restore vision. While you sleep. Hello, wonderful friends. If you're over 60 and you've ever woken up with blurry vision, gritty eyes, or that frustrating feeling that your eyes just aren't keeping up, this is for you. That morning fog where the clock is fuzzy, sunlight stings, or your eyes take ages to warm up isn't just aging. It's a sign your eyes need extra love while you sleep. The good news? You can help them heal naturally without pills, drops, or complicated routines. I'm Dr. James Porter, and after 30 years working with seniors, I've seen how small, intentional choices can transform how your eyes feel when you wake up. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple foods to eat before bed that hydrate, repair, and sharpen your vision overnight. Think of this as a gentle gift to your body, a blessing for clearer mornings and vibrant days. If you're new here, welcome. I share practical, science-backed tips every week to help you age with strength and joy. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Before we dive in, let's connect. How old are you? Where are you watching from? And how do your eyes feel in the morning? Drop your story in the comments. We read and reply to everyone because your journey inspires us. Now let's explore these 3 foods that can transform your eye health, starting with one that's a surprising powerhouse. Food number 1, prunes, the circulation key. Yes, prunes. They're not just for digestion, they're a secret weapon for your eyes after 60. Your vision depends on tiny blood vessels called capillaries, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your retina, the paper-thin tissue that turns light into the images you love, like your grandkids' smiles or a sunset. As we age, those capillaries stiffen, especially with conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes common in seniors. It's like watering a garden with a kinked hose. Nutrients like lutein or vitamin A can't reach your retina, leaving your eyes foggy and strained. Prunes clear the path. They're rich in vitamin K1, which keeps capillaries flexible, ensuring blood flows freely to your retina. A Journal of Nutrition and Aging study found older adults with higher K1 intake had better blood flow to delicate tissues like the eyes. Unknown nutrition aging prunes also pack potassium, which regulates intraocular pressure, the fluid balance in your eyes. High pressure can cause that puffy, swollen feeling in the morning or raise risks for glaucoma. A 2019 ophthalmic research study linked higher potassium to lower intraocular pressure, protecting your optic nerve. Unknown ophthalmic JAK research. Plus, prunes deliver lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that settle in your macula, the retina's center, acting like internal sunglasses to shield against blue light and boost low-light vision. Take George, 74, one of my patients. He ate 2 prunes before bed for 3 weeks. "My morning fog is gone," he said. "I see the clock clearly now. It's not magic. It's circulation at work." How to try it. Choose 1-2 unsweetened, unsulfured prunes 45-60 minutes before bed. Eat them alone or chop into plain Greek yogurt for a creamy treat. Their low glycemic nature stabilizes blood sugar, preventing lens distortion that blurs vision. Prunes aren't just a snack. They're your eye's first step to clarity. Food number 2, pistachios, the protective shield. Now that prunes have opened the blood flow, your eyes need protection. Even when you're asleep, your retina is busy, repairing cells, processing light signals, and rebuilding proteins like rhodopsin for low-light vision. This creates oxidative stress, tiny bursts of wear and tear that, left unchecked, damage retinal cells, speed up macular degeneration, and worsen morning dryness or glare. Enter pistachios, small but mighty. They're loaded with vitamin E, an antioxidant that slips into the fatty membranes of your rods and cones, light-detecting cells, neutralizing stress before it harms. Studies link vitamin E from whole foods like nuts to slower macular degeneration in seniors. Pistachios also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting your macula from blue light and reducing glare, especially at night. A nutrition neuroscience study found pistachios are one of the richest plant-based sources of melatonin, the sleep hormone, promoting deep, restorative rest for eye repair. Unknown nutrition neuroscience add magnesium and B6, which support your optic nerve and tear production, and you've got a powerhouse for smoother, less scratchy eyes. Linda, 68, struggled with dry eyes and night-driving glare. After eating 6 pistachios 30 minutes before bed for 2 weeks, she said, "My eyes aren't gritty anymore and I drove home from book club without squinting." How to try it. Eat 5 to 7 unsalted, raw, or dry roasted pistachios 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Pair with yogurt or kiwi slices for digestion and extra vitamin C, but skip salty snacks or caffeine to preserve their calming effect. Pistachios are your eye's nighttime guardian. Food. Number 3, chia seeds, the rebuilding force. With blood flow open and protection in place, it's time to rebuild. Your eyes need raw materials to restore retinal cell membranes, hydrate tissues, and maintain sharpness. Aging thins these membranes, causing dry eyes, slow focus, and light sensitivity. Chia seeds deliver the solution. They're a top plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, rebuilding retinal membranes for flexibility and clarity. Research shows omega-3s reduce retinal inflammation and boost tear production, easing dryness in seniors. Chia's magic doesn't stop there. Soaked in water or almond milk, they form a gel that slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, key for lens clarity, and supports tear glands for moist eyes. Their tryptophan boosts melatonin, enhancing deep sleep for better repair. Mr. Alvarez, 71, ate soaked chia with banana and cinnamon nightly. In 2 weeks, he said, "My eyes feel calm, not tight. No more dryness." How to try it. Mix 1 tablespoon chia seeds in water or almond milk. Let sit 20-30 minutes to gel and eat 45-60 minutes before bed. Add banana or cinnamon for flavor or sprinkle into yogurt if soaking's too much. The gel maximizes hydration, but dry works too. The bedtime ritual, a blessing for your eyes. These 3 foods, prunes, pistachios, chia seeds, work like a symphony. Prunes open the roads, pistachios shield your retina, and chia seeds rebuild what time wears down. Together they leverage sleep's repair window, when your eyes rebuild rhodopsin and heal cells. This isn't just a snack, it's a 5-minute ritual that says, "I'm caring for myself." How to do it. 45 to 60 minutes before bed, take a small dish with 2 prunes, 5 to 6 pistachios, unsalted, and 1 tablespoon soaked chia. Prep earlier or mix and wait 20 minutes. Eat separately or mix into plain yogurt for creaminess. Add banana, kiwi, or cinnamon for taste. Pair with chamomile tea or warm lemon water to signal calm. No screens, no rush. Consistency matters more than perfection. Try it most nights. Swap prunes for a date or kiwi for variety. Keep the rhythm. In 1 to 2 weeks, patients report clearer mornings, less dryness, and easier focus. It's not a pill. It's your body responding to care. George, Linda, and Mr. Alvarez saw results in weeks, and you can too. Your eyes, your power. Seniors' blurry mornings aren't your destiny. Aging means supporting your body smarter, not harder. These foods, prunes for flow, pistachios for protection, chia for restoration, are a gentle promise to your eyes. You're not alone. Start tonight with 1 or all 3. Choose unsweetened prunes, unsalted pistachios, organic chia. Avoid caffeine or salty pairings. Check your vision in a week. Clearer? Smoother? Which food surprised you most? How do your eyes feel in the morning? Share below. We read every story and reply because your health matters. Like this video, share it with someone over 60, and subscribe for more tips to thrive. Your eyes carry your memories. Let's keep them sharp. Here's to calm nights, clear mornings, and a vibrant you.